Hey, we're here today at Chateau Fontainebleau, just a quick train ride from Paris. It is the place where a lot of the famous and not so famous French monarchs lived. Napoleon lived here for a long time, and rumor has it the table that he signed his abdication, it's in here. So let's go check out this museum. I hear really good things. It was recommended to us by a bunch of people, so let's go see. Allons-y.
Sans prétention. Mais non, mais parce que j'ai un business background.